Ah, non. Ah non. Ah, ils ont juste coupé, tu vois, ils ont pas fait de tunnel, ils ont coupé.
Waouh, c'est ça, c'est très très joli.
Bon, tu veux pas t'arrêter là
Non,
aussi,
ça va.
Il y a un village là-bas, mais...
The fog is coming here also.
The fog or the frog?
The fog.
C'est très beau en tout cas.
Yes.
Ça me plaît bien.
We are lucky guys, we pass in this road because it's so beautiful. We can see the nice view. And there's a small village under this mountain.
Je vais les... Ah, un tunnel là.
Voilà.
C'est rigolo.
Wow, there's a small tunnel here.
Creuser dans le rocher directement.
It's a stone tunnel. So beautiful. We are passing under the mountain, the Rocky Mountain.
Ouais, il y a beaucoup de pierres qui tombent ici.
So beautiful. There's a small village here.
Ouais, c'est un petit village. 30.
So look guys,
Alors,
the small village is surrounded by the mountain and it's nice.
Savon. Il fait des savons ici, il fabrique.
See the view in this side, in the right side is also mountain and it's nice. There's a small village
Capitale du Kirsch. Hein, ils vendent du Kirsch ici. C'est drôle. C'est très joli. Je crois. Tu peux aller prier, mon chéri. Camping ici.
It's nice, there's a river here, a small river.
C'est toujours le Doubs, hein, normalement. Une petite usine à boire. C'est mignon. Super joli.
So colorful the trees are. And there's a small river on the side. And there's a small village here.
It's supposed to be very cute, classified village here.
And look the
Should I
view.
park here, go and see or not?
No, just go. So guys, we dropped by here and we stop and we just go and see the small village. We will see a little things here and then we continue our walk. So beautiful. The village is very small. So we will discover the place. The name of the place is Pontarlier.
Non, c'est pas Pontarlier ici.
Non, il est écrit là.
C'était marqué, mais non. Pontarlier, we pass already.
And what is the name of this
Ça
place?
s'appelle Lodz ou Lodz ou...
Longeville. Longeville.
Longeville, on n'est pas arrivé. C'est Lodz.
So guys, so beautiful. We just continue walking.
2, 3.
So nice, and we will still continue walking here. The bridge, I think it's a very old one. Look, the color.
In 2 parts, yeah.
This one is new and that one is old. And there's a small bridge there. So beautiful. So cold guys. Tignan ninyo. Yung riverside dito. Atong, you see.
Come back. Go to church to come back.
So guys, we will just go and see the small village. Here.
Pose the car, yes.
Yes.
Église, brocante, musée de la vigne, poterie, WC public. Très mignon comme ça.
See this small village, guys. It's very old.
Look, for the farmer before, huh, with the horse.
Yes. The house here is like this. It's an old type house of the. Yes. Nice flowers. The houses here is like this. Look guys, the space of the door here.
Kind of here also.
So guys, I will film you from here. You can see the view of the river here. And there's nice water here. And later we will go down and I will film it well. So nice guys, super ganda. Ganito, and then dito sa taas yan. Dito tayo sa taas. And then dito sa taas, ito yung view. Very old village here. Tsaka yung mga buildings dito, ganito yung ano niya.
Very old.
It looks like a castle. Okay. So here,
Voilà, Lodz, tu vois, Lodz.
this is the name of the place, Lodz.
C'est quelque chose comme ça, l'eau, je sais pas comment.
So guys, ito yung center ng village nila. The name of the village is Lodz. It's just very small village. And it's very old. So, the village is just very small. And all the buildings here are very, very old. The very old village. There's a church here. Qua? A church. And then here. They have a small garden here. Nice flowers.
Nice garden.
Yeah.
Cute.
Very small garden and nice flowers here. And then the background is the church. So we are going down now. Non, ça va. J'ai déjà visité beaucoup de l'église.
Oui, mais elles sont toutes différentes.
Non, ça va. J'ai juste. We go down now, and you can see there's a lavender here.
C'est pas une lavande, c'est n'importe où.
Huh? What is this?
Mais c'est une jolie petite
It's
fleur.
nice. It's a nice flowers. So we are going down so that we can film the river because the river is beautiful. We're going down here. So guys, the village is just very small. And it's very, very old village. And you can see the view here down. It's so beautiful. And this is the whole village. Yan lang ang village dito. And then here you can see.
I click on this.
Yes, there.
Now. Okay. Okay.
Hello guys, welcome to the village of Lodz. This village named Lodz, L-O-D-S, Lodz.
Okay. Voilà.
So we are going down so that we can film the river because the river is very nice. Look. So beautiful.
Look here.
So guys, we are soon near in the riverside and it's so beautiful. There's also a small fountain here. And then there. So nice. Yes. So beautiful.